Hey, if you wonder if the blood oxygen level is actually accurate on the Xiaomi Watch 2, I'm gonna check this by making the comparison with the pulse oximeter. I get it for like 25 bucks from the medical store, so I guess this device is actually like accurate, and we can actually treat it like a real device to measure the SpO2 level. So let's first grab our watch. Let's go into the SpO2. Now I'm gonna put the pulse oximeter on my hand, and I'm gonna put the hand into the flat surface, and now I'm gonna start on the watch and on the pulse oximeter. Now, as you can see, I have to wait for like 20 seconds until I will get some results. Now on the pulse oximeter, I've got information about 96, 97 SpO2 level. So let's take a look how it looks on the watch. On the watch, we've got actually information about the 94. So that's actually the different result. Like there's like 2-3% less. And yesterday I was making the same comparison with the Xiaomi Watch S3, and the result was the same. There was like honestly 1% higher on the Watch S3. Yesterday I've got the 98%. Today is like 96, 97. But let's try to do this one more time. So let's turn off this device. Let's make it one more time. Okay, still on the pulse oximeter we got the 96, 97, and on the watch, let's take a look. Okay, right now it is 97. So the results are the same on both devices, so I'm not sure what was the reason from the last measurement, but let's try to do this one more time. There we go. So let's make the 3 tries. Okay, still 96 and 97 on the pulse oximeter, and let's wait for the results on the watch too. And it's again the 97. So I'm not sure, but probably there was like some kind of the bug. But currently it looks like it's actually accurate to the pulse oximeter, because I cannot tell like in the 100% that this one that the 25 bucks device measured the SpO2 level like correctly, but I just get it for the medical store, so I guess it is. But maybe there's like some more advanced devices that give us a little bit different results. So yeah, that's all for this video. You can tell me if you like it. Maybe I can change something in this kind of the video. I'm just recording it for like second time, so you can give me some tips if you have one. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.